Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial from Being Skilled. In this tutorial, we will learn something a bit exciting than paragraphs and headings. We'll be learning how to add images to a web page. So this is my HTML page. How do we add images? We add images using the img tag. So if you let it autocomplete, you will get to see that we have an src attribute. So this src attribute is the main thing in the img tag because img tag doesn't have a closing tag. It is a contentless tag. So the main crux of the img tag, the image tag, is the source. So source is the location of your file. So if you have a local file like I have it here, cat.jpg in my folder, I can write its name, cat.jpg, and if I save it and I refresh, let me open it, I get to see the picture of my cat, but it's like too large. So in order to customize the width, we can do this 320px, and let's save it. So yeah, so with the source code, with the src attribute, we specified the location of the image, and with the help of the width attribute, we specified the width of the image that we want. The image was right inside my folder along with the file, so I didn't need to specify the particular folder. HTML decided that this file must be within the same folder, so it knew that here is cat.jpg along with the test.html file, and so it included it here and showed it us on our web page. You can also add image from any location from any other folder on your computer or your server. You can also show an image from any web URL. For example, if you go to Google and let's say dog Wikipedia and then images, we select the first photo, and if you you see this option, copy image address, and then you click on it. So now the URL of this image is copied. Now we can use it here instead of cat.jpg. Let's save it, and if I refresh our page, that image from the Wikipedia is now being shown here. We have got the location of the image and it is being shown here. It is on the server of Wikipedia, which is being shown here. So that's how you can find the URL of any image on the web page and you can use it. So Wikipedia's images are free, so you can use them. So that was how you add images to a web page, either from a local folder or a photo from the web. You can use them on your web page. We learn about the image tag, the src attribute, the width attribute. Also we have the height attribute. Instead of this, you can use the height attribute. If you do this and refresh it, it fixes the height. And if you specify both width and height, then you can show exactly. But this image doesn't look so good because the aspect ratio is not correct. So if you set only one of these, the browser calculates what needs to be the width so that the aspect ratio is maintained and your picture looks nice as it should. So be careful about that. Set either one of these, otherwise your image might not look good. That was all about images for this tutorial. If you like this video, drop a like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so.